Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself wanting to start over with your Webflow template, maybe after experimenting with some changes, or if you just want a fresh slate, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to restore your Webflow template back to its original state, even though Webflow doesn't include a one-click reset button for templates. I'm going to walk you through step by step so you can get back to a clean starting point with minimal hassle. Alright, so first things first. Webflow doesn't actually offer a built-in feature to completely reset a template to its original out-of-the-box state. That might sound a little daunting, especially if you're used to platforms where you can just click a single button and everything is wiped back to how it started. So what most people end up doing is manually going through every page and deleting or reverting any elements or custom styles they've added or changed. You could absolutely do it this way. You'd basically be clicking every section, deleting custom elements, and manually resetting things one by one. If you've made just a couple of tweaks, this might not be too bad, but if you've been working in your project for a while, you can imagine this process gets really tedious really fast. I know from experience, it's like cleaning up after a big party and suddenly you're wishing you just left the room as it was. But don't worry, there is a much faster and more effective way, and this is the part I'm really excited to share with you. Webflow has a handy backup system built right in, and if you use it right, you can essentially roll your template back to an earlier clean state. Here, what you need to do, first look down in the very bottom left corner of your Webflow dashboard. There you'll see a little gear icon that's for the settings. Go ahead and click into your project settings. From there, you're looking for the Backups option. This is where Webflow automatically saves snapshots or backups of your entire website at different points in time. Now here's a little pro tip. It's always a good idea to pay attention to when you made certain changes or if you ever manually saved a backup before making a big set of edits. That way you know exactly which backup to look for. If you're hopping to reset your template back to its original state, try to find a backup from right after you first created the project or when you initially installed the template before any personal customizations. If you're not quite sure which backup is the right one, just know that you can usually see timestamps and little notes next to each backup. So take your time here, it's worth double-checking to be sure you're restoring the correct version. Once you found the backup from before you started making changes, look for the three little dots on the right side of that backup entry. Click on those and you'll see the option to restore pop up. Go ahead and confirm and Webflow will bring your template right back to how it was at that snapshot in time. It might take a few moments for the system to process, especially if your project is on the larger side, but after that, you're all set. Your template should now be fresh and clean, just like when you first started. And that's it, super simple once you know where to look. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about the process or if you run into any issues, please drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. Don't forget to like this video if it saved you some time and make sure to subscribe if you want more Webflow and website tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.